Keeping your passwords safe and secure always seems to be a huge problem, and if you're like me, with a ton of passwords on so many different sites, I definitely needed to get a password manager. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're talking about NordPass, and I'm going to explain exactly how it works, how much it costs, and all of the pros and cons. Now, I've been using this for about 6 months to help update and keep all of my passwords in one place to store sensitive data such as credit card details, tax numbers, personal identification, product activation codes, and really whatever else I feel needs to be protected. All right, let's get into it. NordPass was created by the same team behind NordVPN and was launched in 2019 as a secure and intuitive password manager. It not only generates and stores robust passwords for your accounts, but also lets you safely keep credit card details, personal notes, and other sensitive information in an encrypted cloud vault. Now it's available on desktop apps, browser extensions, their website, or a mobile app on nearly all devices, both online and offline. In case of data breach, NordPass can automatically update compromised passwords, making sure that all you need to remember is one master password. Now, let's go over all the plans. So, NordPass Family Plan is designed to simplify password management for families. You can securely store, manage, and share passwords with up to 6 family members, ensuring that everyone in your household is protected online. It costs just under $3 a month if you pay ahead for 2 years, or under $4 a month if you pay ahead for 1 year. NordPass offers a clean interface that does make it easy for each family member to manage their own passwords. All stored information is encrypted using cutting-edge encryption, which is known for its fantastic security features. This means that your sensitive data is safe from unauthorized access, even in the unlikely event of a data breach. Now, one of the standout features of the NordPass Family Plan is its ability to share passwords securely among family members. Whether it's a shared Netflix account or the home Wi-Fi password, you can easily distribute this information without compromising security. The plan also includes features like password health reports, which helps you identify weak or reused passwords, making it easier to maintain strong security across all of your accounts. Now, on top of that, the NordPass Family Plan includes a data breach scanner that alerts you if your passwords or your personal information appear in any online breaches. This allows you to take immediate action to secure your accounts if there ever is a problem. Now, NordPass also makes it easy to access your passwords across multiple devices. The Family Plan allows each member to sync their passwords across all their devices, whether they're using a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer. Another great feature is that you can also access your passwords even when you're offline. They offer 24/7 customer support and a user-friendly experience. The NordPass Family Plan gives you an effective and secure way for families to manage their digital lives, and of course, you get that much-needed peace of mind knowing everyone is safe. Now, if at any point you decide to try out NordPass, check out the affiliate link down in the description. Sometimes we do have special deals available, which you're not going to find if you go directly to their website. All right, let's talk about the competition. Let's see how they compare with its closest competitor, RoboForm. Now, I've tried both over the past few months, and RoboForm is also a great option. I would actually recommend either one. In terms of usability and pricing, they're nearly equal. While NordPass leads in security, privacy, and customer support, RoboForm's interface stands out more to me. RoboForm's unique features, like managing browser bookmarks and Windows logins, makes it a strong contender. However, NordPass still leads in password security. Now, when it comes to NordPass's interface, I really like the clean gray and white design and the ease of setting it up. Also, logging into websites across multiple devices didn't take long at all, and importing passwords from my browser and previous manager was pretty straightforward as well. Then there's the autofill feature for forms and credit card details, very convenient for obvious reasons, and while some advanced functions can be a bit tricky and the desktop app did freeze a couple of times, a quick restart resolved it. Now, the fact that NordPass has never ever been hacked is very impressive. That reassurance of their end-to-end encryption and zero-knowledge infrastructure, ensuring even their employees can't access your data, actually brings me peace. Their breach detection helps secure compromised accounts, and I was pleasantly surprised by the clipboard clearing feature, which adds an extra layer of security. So, that about wraps up this video. After using NordPass for about 6 months, it's my go-to choice for securing my data. It's effective, clean, and very affordable. NordPass really offers a lot of convenience and protection. While of course there are other good options out there, NordPass is a solid choice for keeping your information safe. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews just like this. If you do decide to give NordPass a try, please check out the affiliate link down in the description. Sometimes we do have special discounts which you're not going to find by going directly to their website. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below and I'll do my best to reply as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.